right, this is our second week, our second time open up the beehive. When we got up here, the bees were hanging outside quite a bit. There was probably double the size of that. I did take the lid off already, and I went to make a pail of syrup, have it ready because it was empty. Alrighty, so let's get these boxes off. Smoke. I don't think there's much smoke, but I don't think I need it anyways. Alrighty. Ooh, I can hear some crunching there. Lots of bees up here. Wow, there's lots of them around here. Let's just keep it over here for now. Lots of bees on top. Okay, let's start taking out the frames. Start the nearest to me, always I count that as number 10, frame number 10. Lots of bees on them. And you can see they're starting to form some cells. Wow, look at that. So that's number 10. I'll call this frame number 10. Let's get into number 9. Wow, number 9 looks good. Lots of the white cells formed on the outside part and the inner part. Wow, look at the inner part. Lots. There's some pollen in there. Pollen, there's honey, man. That's all honey, I think. Whatever you want to call that. Looks like honey to me. There's a few yellow ones that must be pollen. Let's keep an eye on the queen. No queen here, no larva, no eggs on this one. Probably be a little too early for that. Okay, frame number 7. This one is also all drawn out. All white cells, full of cells. Wow, honey, no eggs, no nothing. Oh, there's the queen right there, guys. The queen is on frame number 7. There she is. I don't know if she's supposed to be here. I guess she is. She's looking at a spot to put eggs. Or I don't know. Or maybe she was just eating. And there she is. Cool. All right. Wow. Lots of brood here. Lots of larvae. There we go. I see lots of larvae there. A lot of eggs. A lot of tiny, tiny little larvae. Oh my God. And then the other one is like 10 times bigger. But I don't see no eggs yet. A lot of larvae on the other side too. So it looks like this one is full. She can't do nothing here. That looks cool. Okay. So that's number 7. Let's check out number 8. Number 6, I think. Yeah, number 6. Number 6 is the one that the nuke came in. These are all full. Wow, look at all that. There's honey. It's all full, this one. Lots of stuff here. Lots of stuff on this one. Look at that. And the weight is like quite heavy compared to the other ones, like 10 times heavier. Alrighty. Let's go to number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. This also came with the nuke. Same thing. All full. See pollen in there, nectar. There's still larvae on this side also. Larvae there. Okay, and I think those big cups there, those have got to be the drone cups, I think. I'm not quite sure. If somebody can help me out, and once I check the video, just let me know. But I think that's what it is from me watching YouTube. That's what I gather. Lots of honey on the sides. That's pretty cool, right? That's about the same weight as number 6. Number 7, sorry. Now number 5 is coming out. Wow, they're all stuck here. I think we don't have to go any further. Larvae in here too. Drone, but it's not fully complete. A lot of larvae. Oh my God, it's full. So it'll be full soon. So that means she might have to put another box up here, guys. I think it's 80% full because he's got honey in it. So I'm not gonna check anymore. It looks good. The other ones look the same. They look about the same to me from the top here. So I'm gonna put them back. And I am gonna put wow, lots of bees in here, man. Squeeze these into the right position. For the queen, the queen is on number 8. Wow. That's the way that was full that way. That's toward the outside. Oh, it's pretty heavy too. It's got a lot of honey, I think, in it. And that's this. It goes here. Number 10. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to put the other box on. We're putting this box. Alright guys, move out of the way so I don't kill you guys. Wow, squeeze one there. Wow, that's pretty cool. So now I'm going to put the frames. I brought 10 frames. So let's put the frames in. It's about 80% full. And that's what they told me to do. If it's 80% full, start putting in the frames in the box. And keep feeding them. That's what I was told. For this year, keep feeding them. Get them nice, big bunch of bees here. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. We bought them all. 3 more. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's get the inner lid on. Put these bees back in. They're gonna love the new second floor. Oops. Oh, sorry, buddy. I kind of squished that one. Why is this? All right. Okay, the inner lid. I guess I can put the food on it. No smoke coming out. I don't think I need it. Okay, let's put the food on it. Let's flip this over. Get a seal. Perfect. And there we go. We got the syrup, and that's the same way. 3 kilos and 13.5 cups of water. And I gotta put 2, I don't have another big box, so I'm gonna put these 2 little ones so I can put the lid on it. So I can close up, keep this safe. So I think they're doing good. It's like I said, I think it's 80%.